Before buying a motorcycle lift, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Vivor Motorcycle Lift. The Vivor Motorcycle Lift caught my eye immediately with its sturdy design and impressive load capacity of 1,100 pounds, all priced at just $59.90. If you want a reliable lift that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you're working on your motorcycle, stability is key. The Vivor lift features a non-slip wide deck measuring 14.4 inches by 9 inches, ensuring your bike stays secure while you work. The adjustable height ranges from 3.7 inches to 13.8 inches, making it easy to find the right position for maintenance. Plus, the safety pin system reduces the risk of falls, which is a huge relief when you're handling heavy machinery. Now, some people complained about the assembly being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it works like a charm and is easy to operate using the detachable metal handle. If you're not super handy, it might take a few minutes, but the end result is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking to maintain your motorcycle at home. Skip this one if you're planning to lift heavier bikes regularly, as this is more suited for street bikes and cruisers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want extra features and a bit more lifting power.
Product number 2, Orion MotorTech Gray Lift. We have the Orion MotorTech Motorcycle Lift priced at $66.99. What really got my attention is its combination of functionality and safety features. If you want effortless lifting with secure support, this one deserves your attention. The Orion lift can handle the same impressive load capacity of 1,100 pounds, but its T-handle design allows you to lift bikes from 3.7 inches to 14.6 inches with ease. This manual operation is a game changer for those who want to keep their tools in good shape. Plus, the safety bar with 5 locking holes ensures that once you've lifted your bike, it stays put. No surprises here. But I noticed some users mentioned that the instructions could be clearer. To be honest, I can see how that could be frustrating. However, if you take your time to follow the steps, you'll find it works just fine, and the build quality is solid. This is perfect for you if you own multiple types of motorcycles and want a reliable, heavy-duty lift. Skip this one if you're looking for something extremely lightweight, as it's built for stability and durability. Now, if the safety features of the Orion lift caught your attention, you'll want to hear about the next product, which takes portability to the next level.
Product number 3, Orion MotorTech Blue Lift. Another great option from Orion MotorTech is their blue variant of the motorcycle lift, priced at $69.99. What really surprised me is how similar it is to the gray version, but offers a bit of flair with its color. If you want a lift with aesthetic appeal without sacrificing functionality, this one's a winner. It shares the same 1,100 pounds load capacity and adjustable height, so you're getting consistent performance across the board. The wide deck also provides a stable platform, and the heavy-duty steel construction means durability is guaranteed. The rubber tabletop keeps your bike secure while you work, which is crucial for anyone who's been nervous working on a lift. However, a few buyers reported that the color might scratch off over time. Honestly, I didn't expect this, but if you're careful and store it well, it shouldn't be an issue. Just keep that in mind if you're particular about aesthetics. This is perfect for you if you want a sturdy lift that stands out visually. Skip this one if you prefer a more classic look without the blue finish. Overall, it still offers fantastic value for your money. Now, if you want something with even more lifting height and added features, let's check out the next product on our list. Product number 4, Vivor Motorcycle Lift with Dolly. The Vivor Motorcycle Lift with Dolly, priced at $78.90. Its comprehensive design caught my eye, especially the included dolly for easy mobility. If you want a lift that can move your motorcycle around the garage effortlessly, this is worth a look. This lift also supports up to 1,100 pounds and has a maximum lifting height of 15.4 inches. The adjustable height and dolly wheels make it incredibly easy to maneuver your bike wherever you need it. The non-slip deck and safety features ensure you can work comfortably without worrying about your bike falling. However, some users found the dolly feature a bit cumbersome when not in use. I'll be real with you, if you're short on space, this could be a slight inconvenience. But the functionality it offers when you need to move your bike is hard to overlook. This is perfect for you if you have limited garage space and need flexibility.
Skip this one if you're looking for a more static, simple lift. For the price, it provides great value with its mobility feature. Now, if you want something more heavy-duty without the extra bells and whistles, our final product is one you'll want to hear about.
Product number 5, Jack Boss Hydraulic Lift. We have the Jack Boss 350 pounds motorcycle lift jack, which is priced at $139.99. This one really stands out with its hydraulic foot-operated system, making lifting feel almost effortless. If you want a lift that saves you from manual lifting fatigue, this is your best bet. With a lifting range from 12 inches to 33.5 inches, it's designed for those who need more height for maintenance. The solid steel construction means it's built to last, and the foot pedal design allows for hands-free operation, which is a huge plus when you're working on your bike. However, the load capacity is significantly lower at 350 pounds. Some users might find this limiting, especially if you have heavier motorcycles. Here's the thing though, if you mainly work with lighter bikes or scooters, this could be a great fit despite the lower capacity. This is perfect for you if you're looking for ease of use with lighter motorcycles. Skip this one if you have larger touring bikes that exceed the weight limit. Still, it's a solid investment if you fit the right scenario. To wrap things up, we've looked at 5 fantastic motorcycle lifts. The Vevor and Orion options provide great value, while the Vevor with dolly offers unique mobility. The Jack Boss stands out for ease of use, but is limited in load capacity. Choose based on your specific needs and budget, and you can't go wrong.